Hello all. This is the second part of the keynote on research-based pedagogical tools (RBPT). You all are aware of the 5R model for RBPTs, and they are as follows. R for recognize, second R is for require, third is refine, fourth R is reward, and the fifth R is report. Let's concentrate on the first R, recognize. How will we acknowledge the existence of research or identify it? The next question comes to your mind is, if I want to recognize research, what does research look like? Is it finding a cell phone in your back pocket or purse or in your locker? Or is it what we often do, surfing the internet? Or maybe reading a novel in library, doing some practical work in the laboratory? Or is it just scrolling on a Google map to find a particular location or place? Think, is this research? Research basically involves a knowledge base, effort, and skill. It triggers the critical thought process and reflection. So it involves various features like it starts with the literature review. Then the problem is framed and hypotheses are set. Then there is different methodology to collect the data and test the variables. Finally, report it and present it or give viva. So if any work shows this following features, it's research as it involves the knowledge base, effort, and skill. The second R is require. Why do we require research for learning? RBPTs are not only way to teach and learning to take place. Any pedagogy can work without students engaging in research. However, only RBPTs require research because it's a strategic planned step, exploring the unknown rather than rote or recall or just learning for better grades. Because when I research, I do. And when I do, I understand. So it's hands on and minds on. So we require this R to understand that we require research because it will take us from something unknown to something we can know better. The third R, refine. We all are born with basic research skills, aren't we? We need to refine the skills and polish them. RBPTs should be designed in such a way that they help students to refine their research skills. In the cognitive domain, assist them to acquire technical knowledge and upgrade them at a personal level. They should be market ready. They should be absorbable. They should have less need for induction. We all are born with basic understanding of the world. RBPTs should help students to refine their understanding, to be mind strong. They should learn to fight any situation. They should be problem solvers. They should be able to dissect the problem and find solutions. They should develop proper vision and should have predictive understanding. The fourth R is reward. Yes, students always like to be rewarded by their mentors. A small, great job done is quite motivating to them. Assessment can be formative or summative. It can be lecture based, weekly based, can be periodic, or maybe terminal, or may end up into a final project submission. Assessment can be operated by the system, maybe the learning management system, or maybe by the tutor, or maybe by peers. And the best assessment is self assessment. Once the assessment is done, the student should be rewarded. A star or a grade really puts them on to the next level. Finally, the fifth R is report. Research may be individually carried out or it may be in collaboration. All research is shared or lost. So if you don't report, it's lost. RBPTs will generate various outputs. A report should be generated in a specific format, specifying the purpose, the target audience, and details. So finally, these 5 R's, that is recognize, require, refine, reward, and report, are the 5 pillars of RBPTs. Think how we will be able to develop our own RBPTs based on this 5R. In the next part, we will try to understand the teaching research nexus. Thank you.